Emco is a group of 7 factories, mainly focused on paper products. Currently we are using 3 Indigo presses. Recently we've just received the new 5600. The 5600 has allowed us to increase productivity. We are doing 2 major applications on that machine. One is gift cards, loyalty cards, membership cards. And in addition, we are printing mid-volume trans-promo applications. The print quality and the speed allows us to deliver the product they want. When using a digital machine like this, it allows us to save costs of setup time. We're able to deliver the products much faster to our customers. I was able to convince the management that printing cards in this machine and printing trans-promo application would increase productivity. We'll be able to gain more customers using these capabilities and lower our production costs. We are printing several ID cards which require high security standards. We're using the UV ink in the machine, which allows us to print invisible data which can only be seen using UV light for security reasons. We are able to print almost twice as fast, so with 2 times the productivity. Up until now, we had to run a big offset line in order to produce even small quantities. Using the new HP machine, we are able to print small quantities with very high quality and the fast time to market, which makes our customers very confident in our capabilities as a service provider.